And this is the how-to video for the rag tree. This is a cute little primitive country sort of ornament. We're going to need a cinnamon stick, another rusty star, some berries, some twine, and some fabric strips. Yeah, I bet you also could use ribbon if you had ribbon you wanted to use up. So we're going to start off by tying a fabric strip towards the bottom. You're going to double knot it and tie it off. And then cut it. Don't worry too much yet about the length. In general, you're obviously we're trying to make a tree, so in general, the longer ones are at the bottom and the shorter ones are at the top, like a triangle-like shape. So keep that in mind as you're cutting. And you could put these in any sort of pattern that you like. You want to tie them from the end because you can still use the other part of the strip. Okay, we'll speed this up a little bit. It does take a little bit of time to get them all on there. And you can, fix the edges and trim and cut more later. Again, whatever pattern you like. There we go. Tying the last one on. It's starting to take shape. Now you're just going to go back with your scissors and kind of trim it up. The idea is to make it look like a tree. So like I said before, the longer one's at the bottom, the shorter one's at the top. And you'll want to angle the ends. You cut them as short as you'd like, as long as you'd like. Looking back at this now, I think I probably would have left mine a little bit longer, but it's still cute. Okay, and now when you have that kind of trimmed up the way you'd like it, it's time for the rest of it. We're going to start with the twine at the top for the hanger. You're going to put a little bit of glue at the back to hold the twine on. And you're going to wrap it around and tie a knot. There you go. Just tie a knot at the end. At the back. And then just a knot at the end to hang with. Okay. Now we're going to add our rusty star. And the berries to the back. I'm going to leave these on the wire and just kind of twist them around the cinnamon stick. Put a little bit of glue at the back to hold them in place. And then just kind of wrap them around to the front. And do any little last minute trimming. And you're good to go.